Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to cancel your Google Play Store subscriptions by using the Android mobile, and also I show the steps to cancel the auto recurring payment. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So in 2 days back I subscribed the Truecaller Premium for 1 year. So now I decide to cancel the subscription. So how to do it? So just open your Google Play Store. So now in this homepage section, you can press your Gmail profile picture icon and go to payments and subscriptions. So next I try to access subscriptions, and here you can see it shows my Truecaller Premium subscription, and in bottom they mention the next premium date. So anyway, if you like to cancel it, just tap that subscription. So finally I get the one option called cancel subscription. So just press on it, and they ask for the valid reason to cancel the subscription. So you can select any one of them and click to continue. And one more time they ask for the confirmation. So you can click to cancel subscription. So finally my Truecaller Premium subscription is successfully deactivated. So once you done these processes, in future they does not debit any amount from your Play Store payment method. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.